Hey guys, Mark here, and today we're going to be adding some ambient LED lighting to my monitor with these Philips Hue Lights. Philips Hue Lights have been around for quite some time now, and although I just got into using them, I wish I had them years ago. These little bulbs are amazing. They're visually stunning when used correctly, and there's surprisingly little lag when connecting them and changing their colors. For that reason, it's very possible that you can sync them to your computer's monitor. To start the process, you first need to download a Chrome extension called Huegasm. This is my favorite app or extension. Not only can you sync video from the monitor to the lights, but you can also sync music with it too. It can listen to your Chrome tab or even your system for sounds, and then sync your lights to the beat. I don't use it often, but it's a fun little trick to show your friends. To sync your screen to the lights, start by clicking on the extension and then pressing on the button on your Philips Hue bridge. That's all you have to do to connect the extension to the lights. It's pretty simple. Then you have to navigate over to the screen tab and pick the bulbs you want to sync to the screen. If you mouse over the bulbs, they'll flash and tell you pretty much which ones are which. Simply click on the ones you don't want to sync, mess with the settings, and then click on the screen syncing button. Et voila! Your lights should now be synced to whatever's on your screen. The cool thing about it is that it doesn't actually have to be a Chrome tab. It could be whatever's present on your monitor at any given time. So if I were to play Overwatch, for example, the lights would sync to the colors and brightness of Overwatch. This extension works very well, but it does have one major flaw through no fault of its own. Because the lights are Wi-Fi based, there is inherently a small amount of lag present. It's not a huge amount of lag, but it is noticeable with the stock settings. The lights just get brighter or dimmer, just a bit too slow, and the color changes a little slowly as well. There's a way to make this much less noticeable though. Besides, we're going for an ambient look here, not a full-on light show. I'll put my Huegasm settings up on the screen here so that you can use exactly what I use for the extension. Basically, the idea is to limit the range of brightness and turn down the delay as much as possible so that anyone watching a movie or even playing a game wouldn't be able to notice the changes in the lights. It'll add more immersion because of the ambient light in the background is still changing, but not enough to make it more than subliminal. Alright, so here are some short tests I did with various games and YouTube videos so that you can see exactly how these lights perform with the settings I provided earlier. Enjoy! As you can see, the lights perform very well. Not perfect, as you know, they do have a slight delay, but it looks great nonetheless. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to show your support, and if you didn't, let me know why in a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.